The first typhoon signal number 3 of the year was issued this afternoon as Tropical Storm Nuri got closer to Hong Kong. The observatory issued the strong wind signal at 3:40 p.m. The storm is expected to be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning, coming within 200 kilometers. The observatory said unless Nuri intensified significantly or came closer to the city, the chances of issuing a higher signal was low. On to the weather now. A reminder that the strong wind signal number 3 is in force. At 8 p.m., Tropical Storm Nuri was estimated to be about 220 kilometers south of Hong Kong. It's forecast to move northwest at about 22 kilometers per hour towards the coast of western Guangdong. Let's check the forecast for the next few days. It will be mainly cloudy with occasional squally showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Temperatures will range between 26 and 30 degrees. The bad weather will continue on Monday before the sun returns on Tuesday. Now let's take a look at the weather around the world. That's our main news for Saturday night. Join me for more news at 11. I'm Michelle Ng. Thanks for watching. Good night. Let's support our healthcare workers and do our part too. Maintain good personal hygiene and step up precautionary measures. Together, we can defeat the virus.